Hey guys, it is Naughty Bucket Friday, but before we find the lock, I just want to say two things I forgot to say in my last video. In the last one I did say that I'm sorry I cannot watch all of the videos anymore. There's too many and I don't have time for it. And I said there was something more, I just couldn't remember, and I now remember those two things. The first one is, I'm sorry to those of you I have promised a package. I still have a mountain of packages, but yeah, money have not been that well for a while, especially not over Christmas, and yeah, so I haven't been able to send out that much. But I'm slowly getting back into it. I can send one package a month. That's all I can afford right now for some time. So it's slowly starting up again. And the other thing is shout out videos, especially the monthly channel sharing. I have not done that for a few months, and I'm sorry about that as well. With other hobbies and work and everything, time is just not there for it anymore. But maybe at some point I get back into it. But for now, no. Alright, let's find that lock and get started. Oops. Camera is turning the wrong way. Alright, what did I get here? 50 ruma. I have a 40 version of this is 40 ruma. I have a 40 ruma in my training bucket. That's what I tried to say. Okay, let's get in the vise. Whoops. And let's see what we can do. That should be fine. Let's try the beautiful pick from Westpix. That felt weird. Not much was said. Let's try another shot hook and see what happens. It feels weird now. Oh, haha! That was pin 3. I don't know what happened there. The pins feels very, very weird. They don't feel like there's a lot of gunk in there. That's not how they feel. They just feel like they are working, and then about here they start to let's see if I can get this a little closer. About here they start to feel weird, and then it says a very hard click, as you probably could hear in the video. I hope so. And you can't really feel if it's set or not. That's I don't know if it's something with this specific lock or if it's the brand. I don't think this actually is that good of a lock, but well, we got it open, and for the first time on camera, and at least, so not bad. And that was quite a short Naughty Bucket Friday video, but well, we need some of those as well, right? Alright guys, that's all you get for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.